Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can update Minecraft to the latest version. It's quite simple, so let's get started. Okay guys, so here we are on the desktop and you can see I have the Minecraft application open at the moment. Now you'll notice in the bottom right hand corner of our Minecraft screen that we actually have version 1.21.101. Okay, so this is the version that I'm currently running when it comes to Minecraft. Now I don't know if there's a newer version or anything like that, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and check to see if there's an update available for Minecraft. So what we're going to do is we're going to basically close Minecraft off here. We're going to head on down to our search bar at the bottom, and what we're going to do is we're going to search for the Microsoft Store. So we can type in store into here and you should end up with something like the Microsoft Store here, and we give that a click, it's going to load up the Microsoft Store just like this one here. Now in here we could of course search for Minecraft. It has all the different things that we have already installed from the library in the bottom left hand corner. But what we want are the downloads. If we go ahead and click on the downloads section here, this is going to load up all of your updates and downloads, your recent updates, etc. And you can see everything that is currently in here. Now there's a big button in the top right hand corner that says check for updates. If I go ahead and give that a click, it's going to then shoot on through and look at all the different things that we have installed and find out if there's an update available for each of them. And if there is, then we have the options to essentially go ahead and update them. Now it should find, updates for various different things, but it should not find anything for Minecraft because, well, I did just download it a moment ago and obviously therefore it's already the current version. But if not, it should come up here and should start updating and basically updating your Minecraft application to the latest version, just like it's done with all of these other pieces of software here. And that should be it. That's exactly how you would go ahead and basically go ahead and update your Minecraft for Windows. And so guys, that's how you download and update Minecraft to the latest version. If this works for you, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I'll catch you all in the next one.